Moving on to our next question, our fifth question. What are your plans for addressing the needs of the unhoused population of El Cerrito? What are we currently doing well, and what do we need to improve on? And how does the city's efforts on addressing systemic racism interact with these programs?
Thanks. Well, I think one thing we're doing well is fulfilling our Reno requirements and building more housing. Just in general, the more housing we build, the less we potentially displace people. However, what we can improve on is tenant protections. As I alluded to, when my son was 4, I literally went to the door and answered the door in the living room, and it was a realtor asking to take measurements of our house. And that was how I learned that we were being evicted. My son went to school with homeless families, and I was personally helping folks who were being evicted from who had been evicted from their home and were living out of their car. We need to protect tenants, especially around the Plaza development, to ensure that low-income residents of our community are offered comparable, low-cost housing so they are not put on the streets. And in terms of addressing systemic racism, the work that I do currently at the state is specifically built around ensuring that multifamily housing is given the same privileges that single family housing is from our building codes. And affordable permanent housing is really the solution that we need for our unhoused neighbors. Nobody is going to take treatment or housing if it's not permanent. We need to guarantee permanent housing for those folks.